My dear children, in this video we are going to see about binary arithmetic from chapter 2. Or arithmetic means mathematical computations. We know in decimal number system we can do various computations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Like that in binary number, binary means combination of 0 and 1. We can do all these computations. Here we can see about binary addition. Let's see here binary arithmetic as decimal numbers. Decimal means combination of 10 digits from 0 to 9. The binary number. Binary means combination of 2 digits. Also permit computations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here we can see about binary addition. Here given a table for adding two binary numbers. That is given the following table is useful when adding two binary numbers. Here first one 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, which is our sum value. Here there is no carry, so we put hyphen. Second one 0 plus 1. When we add 0 with 1, we get 1 as a sum. Here also we don't have any carry, so we put it as hyphen. Next, third one 1 plus 0. When we add 1 with 0, we get 1 as a sum and no carry bit. Next, fourth one is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0. Here we have to consider the 0 as a sum and 1 as a carry bit. That carry bit we have to add with the previous position of the bit pattern. It is given here in 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0. Is considered as sum 0. Here 0 is considered as sum and the 1 as carry bit. Here 1 is considered as carry bit. This carry bit is added with previous position of the bit pattern. That carry bit we have to add with the previous position of the bit. Next we can see an example. Here given two binary numbers. Let's see how to add these two binary numbers. Here our first binary number is 1011 to the base 2. That is written here 1011. Then our next binary number is 1001. That is also written here. So all the carry bits are given here. What is bit? Bit means binary digits, only simply called it as bit. Each digit is called it as bit. Let's see here. Here 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0. Here we have to put this 0 in the sum and add this 1 as a carry bit with the previous position of the bit. Previous position we have 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Again we have to add this 1 with its carry bit. Here carry bit is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0. Now we have to put this 0 in the sum and add this carry with the previous position of the bit. Next we come to its previous position. In the previous position we have two zeros. When we add 0 with the 0, we get 0. Again we have to add the 0 with the carry bit. So 0 plus 1 we get 1. 1 as a sum. Its previous position. In the previous position we have two ones. So 1 plus 1 we get 1, 0. Next we don't have any more numbers to add. So we can write both sum as well as carry here. Here this is our final solution. Finally we can write the result like this. Here 1011 to the base 2 plus 1001 to the base 2 is equal to 10100 to the base 2. Next we can see another example. Example 2. Perform binary addition for the following. Here 23 to the base 10 plus 12 to the base 10. Here given two decimal numbers. So first we have to convert this decimal number into its equivalent binary number. Here we have two methods to convert decimal number into its equivalent binary number. First one is repeated division by 2 and second one is sum of powers of 2. Already I have explained these two methods in the previous videos. That link also given in the description box. If you have any doubt you can follow that link. You can use any method for this conversion. In our textbook given sum of powers of 2 method. Actually this table is given in the textbook. Let's see how to write this table. First we have to write 2's power from 0. Your first one is 2 to the power 0. We know any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. That is written here. Next 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. Then 2 square 4. Then 2 cube is equal to 8. Then 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So we have tried this 2's power up to 23. Here we don't get 2's power for this number 23. So we have tried up to closest greatest 2's power value. Here our first closest greatest powers of 2 is 2 to the power 4, which is 16, that is written here. Our next powers of 2 is 2 to the power 5, that is 32. But it is greater than 23, so no need to consider this value. Then we have to split the given decimal number in powers of 2 manner. So this 23 we have divided into 16 plus 7. This 16 we can write it as 2 to the power 4. Then we have divided this 7 into 4 plus 3. 4 we can write it into 2 to the power 2. That is written here. Then again we can split this 3 into 2 plus 1. 2 we can write it as 2 to the power 1. Then 1 also we can write it as 2 to the power 0. Finally, we can write the binary number from this sequence. Here, if any sequence is missing, we have to put 0, else we can put 1. First, we have to start from 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 is there, so we put 1. Then 2 to the power 1, for this 2 to the power 1, we put 1. Then 2 to the power 2, so we put 1. Then here 2 to the power 3 is missing, so we put 0. Next, 2 to the power 4 is equal to 1. That same binary number only written in this table. This is our equivalent binary number for our decimal number 23. Here we are written in 8-bit length. Like this, we can convert next decimal number also into its equivalent binary number. Here 1100 is our equivalent binary number for 12. That is also written in 8-bit length. Here we have only 4 bits. We have added 4 more zeros in the leftmost bit. Now we are having binary numbers for both decimal numbers. So next we can add these two binary numbers. Next we can go to step 2. Step 2, binary addition of 23 and 12. Let's see how to add these two binary numbers. Here 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. There is no carry, only sum. Next 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Here 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. Here we have to consider the 0 as a sum and 1 as a carry bit. That carry bit we have to add with the previous position of the bit. Next we come to its previous position. In the previous position we have 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Again we have to add this 1 with its carry bit. Carry bit is 1. So 1 plus 1 we get 1 0. Here also we have to consider the 0 as a sum and 1 as a carry bit. That 1 also we have to add with its previous position. The previous position we have 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Again we have to add this 1 with its carry bit. We get 1 0. The 0 we have to put it in the sum and 1 add with its previous position. In the previous position we are having only 2 zeros. 0 plus 0 0. Again we have to add this 0 with its carry bit 1. So 0 plus 1 we get 1. Next in the previous position we are having only 2 zeros, no carry bit. 0 plus 0 0. Again we have 2 zeros only, 2 0 plus 0 0. Here 23 plus 12 is equal to 35. Its equivalent binary number is 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1. Finally we have write the result in this manner. Here our final result is 35 to the base 10 is equal to 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 to the base 2. Here we have written in 8-bit length. Dear children, in this video we have seen addition of two binary numbers. If the binary number is given, directly you can add it and write the result. Suppose if the number is given in decimal number, first you have to convert the decimal number into its equivalent binary number. Then you have to add and write the result.